Good afternoon, my name is Gavin Knox, Managing Director of Hydrogen Fuel Systems Proprietary Limited in Perth, Western Australia. Here we have our modification of a Generation 20 hydrogen fuel system mounted into an aluminium enclosure box which measures 43 long by 33 high by 25 wide. It's made of 2mm thick aluminium, anodized aluminium. You can see the gas production here is quite exceptional. It's currently running off a regulated power supply which is drawing 21 amps at 10.4 volts. Now I'll put this off the side there so you can see the system within. Now you used to have the power supply mounted onto the lid of the box. Now it's mounted inside the box, mounted inside one of these systems. Very similar to this system arrangement over here. This is the Generation 20 system also, separate outside the enclosure box. Now the Generation 20 system, the power supply is mounted, it's a 1500 watt power supply mounted onto the lid of the system, which is then tied down in the enclosure box with stud inserts and straps. Pumping system is outside there, as you can see, and the recycling bottle, 3 litre recycling bottle. Big advantage of the system, having the die-cast aluminium power supply enclosure on top. The temperature right now is about 45 degrees Celsius. I'm just testing this right now. If I can get my power supply working. Ammeter. No, it's actually 53 degrees Celsius. It's been running now for the last 7 hours. This unit's been purchased by a person by the name of Tony Young over in Sydney, Sydney, Australia. This is for use on his, I think it's a 7.3 litre V8 Detroit diesel. Anyway, the system is very secure. It has the power coming through the front of it here, connected to Anderson plugs. It's a 50 amp Anderson plug, as you can see, and it'll have 10mm high density polyethylene tubing, which is the air brake pneumatic tubing going to the bubbler in this case, or going to the engine. The system is very secure. It weighs around about 16 kilograms all up. It's fairly compact, no waste of space at all. It is a sealed system and very safe. I can be contacted through my webpage or through my email, glknox@dodo.com.au, that's glknox@dodo.com.au, or glknox11@live.com. My webpage is http://www.hydrogenfuelsystems.com.au. I look forward to speaking to you soon. This system here is ideal for any engines up to above 8 litres in fact. So we can have combinations of these systems because they're so compact on very large engines. Some of my trucking clients are using 2 of these systems on their 16 litre Kenworths, so 16 litre cat powered Kenworths. This can be used on cars, can be used on trucks, can be used on 4-wheel drives, can be used on trawlers or so. Right now it's producing 2.5 litres of gas a minute and drawing 21.8 amps and 10.4 volts, although the meter shows it's dragging 18 amps actually. Okay, I look forward to speaking to you soon. I can be contacted from my email, as I said, or through my webpage, or through my mobile phone 040 317 7183. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.